Okay, good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I respect Mr. Adam Zakaria, MAK, PhD, as chairman of the seminar, then Mr. Dr. Muhammad Yusuf SA, MM, as first examiner, Dr. Khairul Anwar SA, MBA, MAFES, MCIS, AK, CA, CPA, CSRS, CSRA as first supervisor, and then Mrs. Dwi Haryanti, Dwi Handarani, SPD, MAK as second supervisor. On this occasion, allow me to explain my thesis proposal entitled The Influence of Work Environment Compensation and Workload on Turnover Intention of Public Accountant. Company competition from years to year is getting tougher. Of course, every company wants to be the best and gain full trust from the public. One of them is by getting a WTP predicate from the auditor. Of course, getting this data can have many positive impact on the company or agency for the agency activities. Public accountants are certainly needed by many agencies, both profit and non-profit agencies, especially in Jakarta, which is the economy center of Indonesia. So many companies are established there. So it's not surprised that in Jakarta, the circulation of money is very large. Around 50% of Indonesia's economic turnover is in Jakarta. Then, citing data from the distribution of general deposit in December 2023, which was launched by the Deposit Insurance Agency or LPS in Indonesia, Lembaga Penjamin Simpanan, data was found that the nominal value of general bank deposit was uh, 8, 8 okay, 8,000 8.515 triliun, of which around 53% was in Jakarta. Then of the total national GDP of 20.892 triliun, around 57% is on the land of Java, where the GRDP of Jakarta is 3.442 triliun rupiah. Then, based on data from the official OJK website, which was accessed by research on November 5, 2023, there are 225 public accountant firms in Jakarta. If we look at the amount of money circulation, especially in Jakarta, and also the nominal of GDP, then of course the role of auditor is very important for agency, especially agencies that operate in business or profit sector, where the auditor can provide a review to company so that company report is reviewed to the company so that the company's report complies with applicable regulation and has the trust of the public. Then, if we look the picture in here, yeah, industry with above average turnover rate, yeah, we can see that industry which have over level or that are above average of or could be said to be high are one of them in the professional service sector. Of course, auditor are part of professional service company. So, what is the factor behind the high level of overpayment? There are various factors that research obtain. From the research of our experience, several friends who work as accountant explained that due to stagnant compensation factor, heavy workload, and unhealthy work, and especially relationship with the college and superiors. Then, in the end, they decide to work in non-accounting company. Compensation is certainly one of the main factors in considering someone to work or even resign or turnover. This was researched by Ramla, Sudiro, and Juwita in 2021 with the title The Influence of Compensation and Job Stress on Turnover Intention Through Mediation of Job Satisfaction. From the research, The result obtained showed that the higher of compensation given, the lower the employee turnover rate will be. The next factor is the work environment. Of course, a good work environment will make someone, especially an auditor, feel comfortable in carrying out their work, both in the physical and non-physical environment. Of course, an auditor carry out his duty not only in his office, but sometimes also has to carry out audit outside the city. The work environment has a positive influence on turnover intention. This is based on research entitled The Influence of Stressful Work Environment and Workload on Employee Turnover Intention. This is written by Kamis, Sabuhari, and Kamal in 2021. Then, the final factor is the workload, which is due to increasingly tight competition in the world of work. In this increasingly fierce competition, employees, especially auditors, are required to have more ability and sometimes increase their workload. Giving excessive workload will certainly result in work overload. This can this can cause other work to be neglected and, of course, not be completed in the time required. Excessive workload will make auditor or employees stress, and of course, this can result in turnover intention. In research written by Wulansari, Subroto, and Mardiati in 2022, with the title of Influence of Excessive Workload and Work Stress Toward the Auditor Turnover Intention, Job Satisfaction as Mediating Variable, the result showed that excessive workload have a positive effect on turnover intention. This means that excessive workload will make employees think about resigning and change their work. Then, research by Kamis and friend in 2021 with the title The Influence of Work Environment, Stress and Workload on Employee Turnover Intention show that workload had a positive and significant effect on the team over intention. This means that the higher of workload, the higher the turnover intention rate. And then the question and objective of this research is find out whether compensation has an effect on auditor turnover intention. And then the second is find out whether the work environment influence auditor turnover intention. And the third is find out whether workload influence auditor turnover intention. And then the research is expected to provide benefit regarding understand how compensation, work environment, and workload influence public accountant turnover intention. If we refer to Maslow theory needs, this is hope that this research can provide benefit as a reference for academic for the future research on similar topic or discussion as an effort to fulfill the needed of self-actualization, thereby increasing the wealth of knowledge for those who need it in the future. Then the practical benefit of this research, it provides benefit for students who want to have a career as public accountant or who are currently pursuing a career as public accountant as a considering in the choosing a career as public accountant or as a considering in deciding whether or not to continue their career as public accountant. And for higher ranking official or owner of public accounting firms, it can be a reference or evaluation material regarding what factor can influence public accountant to make turnover. And then we go to second chapter. Okay, kerangka teori. We use Abraham Maslow theory as the main theory where humans have needs starting from the basic need, namely psychological, which are related to basic needs, then security needs, where humans need self-protection from all disturbance so they can live with a sense of security and comfort. And then the three social needs are related to the need for a sense for belonging and belonging so that they are accepted by people around them or their environment. This means the need to interact with other people. Fourth, the need to esteem as is a human need whose nature is to achieve achievement, reach a higher position and higher social status. And then the fifth is need to self-actualization is the need to desire to express oneself to other with the potential and abilities that one has in order to become whatever one wants and prove it to other. According to Chen and Francesco, turnover intention is tendency or level at which employees have the possibility to leave the company. Hasibuan believed that compensation is all income in form of money, direct or indirect goods received by employee as compensation for service provided to the company. The work environment is divided into namely physical and non-physical work environment. According to Bahri, the work environment is everything around the employee that can influence him in carrying out his work activities. According to Munandar, workload is tasks assigned to worker or employee to be complete within a certain time using their skill and potential. And then we go to the theoretical framework and hypothesis. For the compensation variable, there are several studies related to the relationship between compensation and turnover intention. Researchers took one of the study written by Saputra and friend in 2022 with the title The Influence of Compensation on Employee Turnover Intention at PT Bintan Majestic Abadi. The results showed that compensation particularly had a negative and significant effect on turnover intention. This means that the greater of compensation, the smaller of desire to make turnover. The higher compensation, the lower of turnover intention rate. So, for the first hypothesis is compensation has a negative influence on turnover intention. The second, for environment variable, researchers took one of the studies entitled Influence of Work Environment Toward Turnover Intention with Motivation and Job Satisfaction as Intervening Variable in PTTSA, written by Ikhwan Triwilyanto, Ikutut Sudiarta, and Cory Yohana. The result obtained were that the work environment has a negative and significant effect on turnover intention, meaning that the greater the work environment variable, the lower the employee turnover intention. So, a good work environment will make employee feel comfortable and at home. And then the second hypothesis is work environment has a negative effect on turnover intention. The last for workload, research took one of the study written by Haryanto and friends with the title The Influence of Work and Environment on Turnover Intention through job satisfaction and organizational commitment. The result showed that workload had a positive effect on turnover intention. So that the third hypothesis is workload has a positive effect on turnover intention. Workload has a positive effect on turnover intention. And then we go to the research object is, okay, the dependent variable is turnover intention. The indicator that we can use is implicit thought of living, either living or staying. And the second, implicit desire to live. And the third is implied true of looking for another job. And then the independent variable, we have three. The first is compensation. The indicator that we use is wage, uh, incentive, benefit, facility. And then the work environment, we have indicator, employer relation, noise level of work environment, work regulation, workplace lighting, air circulation, and security. And then the workload variable with the following indicator: target to be achieved, working condition, and job standards. And then we go to the last slide, research methodology. The research will be held around April and May 2024. The research design use quantitative method where the data is primary data obtained from public accountant working in DKI Jakarta to measure the relationship between variables using the multiple linear analysis method, which begin with testing classical assumption. The software used is SmartPLS version 4. And then the population is public accountant who work in DKI Jakarta are based on the number of public accountant holding CPA certificate of 3.276 people based on 2023 ebook directory from EAP website, including unregistered public accountant who have work period of 2 to 5 years. The sample consists of minimum of 50 respondents. The variable in this research is turnover intention as dependent variable. Then the independent variable are compensation as first variable, work environment second variable, and then workload as third variable. Data collection technique use questionnaire, which will later be given a scale 1 to 5. And last, the data analysis technique use SEM partially square with Smart PS4 software, starting from testing the outer model to define how each indicator is related to the latent variable. They carry out structural model measurement which aim to predict causal relationship between latent variables. Thank you from me, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.